So just jump into the questions. So single variable word problems is that there will be one unknown quantity and you just have to use the given statements, find a clue. See, one variable or one unknown quantity, all you need is just one equation with that variable to get the answer. So that's why one clue would be sufficient. So drama club charge 5 rupees, $5 per ticket, okay, and each show costs 150 in overall expenses. So the overall expenses is $150 and they charge $5 per ticket. How many people need to buy the ticket so that the club makes an overall profit of $30 per show? So the profit is $30. So that means the revenues, I call it, that means the money they would made from the tickets. So this is the money they earned. So money earned from ticket sales rather I would put it, minus the money spent on expenses basically equals the profit. Simple, right? They said profit is $30, expenses is $150. So now I can get the ticket sale money, which will be 180. Right? So if I earned, or if they need to earn $180, how many tickets should they sell? That's what the question is asking. So $5 per ticket. So $5 per ticket is the money they get. So it's saying one ticket costs $5, right? How many tickets? If I assume I sell X tickets, I should make $180. That's the relation, right? One ticket gives me $5. Let's assume X tickets gives me $180. So again cross multiply, 180 is equals to 5 into X. Send it to the denominator, 180 by 5 will be 5 is 15, 5 is 30. So answer will be 36. Otherwise, let's assume we need to sell, or the drama club needs to sell X number of tickets to make that 180. $5 per ticket into they sold X tickets, that should be equal to 180. So X is equals to 180 by 5, which is also 36. Any way you stick, that's fine, right? As long as you get this point. First and foremost, I need to figure out that they need to sell $180 worth tickets so that they get a profit of $30 after spending $150. Once I know that, it's pretty straightforward to find. Okay, $5 is per one ticket, so I need to sell 36 tickets to make $180 on the whole. Try this question. Rodi earns $20 for each toy that he sells and a bonus of 5 per toy for each toy he sells over 30 toys. If Rodi was paid $1100, how many toys did he sell? That's the question, right? So let's just look at this. Let's assume Rodi sold X number of toys. Okay, this is an assumption we're starting with. X number of toys. Let's assume that Rodi sold X number of toys. So how much money will he make from that? So here I have to understand how many of them are within the 30 and then, right? So which means if Rodi sold X number of toys, he sold 30 toys plus 30 minus X toys. Or rather, I should put it like this, X minus 30 toys. Why am I saying that? You see, $20 for each toy into 30 toys is how much? $600, right? Which is less than 1100. That means Rodi should have sold more than 30 toys. And he is getting bonus, so that's how he is able to make that 1100, right? So let's assume that Rodi sold 30 toys at $20 per toy. That's the price he get, right? And the rest will be at $25 per toy because he's getting a bonus of 5 per each toy. That means he's getting the basic 20 plus additional $5 for that bonus, right? So how much money will he makes from this? 30 toys into $20, he's making $600. And how much is he making here? X minus 30 number of toys into $25. That will be 25x minus 750. So this is the total money he made from the toys. So let me add the 600 plus 25x, 25x minus 750 equals to 1100. So this will be minus 150, that goes that side. So 25x is equals to 1250 25, 5s are 50, so it is 50. So if Rodi sells 50 toys, I'll just explain it again with numbers, right? 50 toys on the whole. He is selling 30 toys at the initial $20 per price, and the rest 20, the next additional 20 are sold at 25. The 20 he gets paid for each toy plus the bonus of 5. So 20 into 25 is 500, 30 into 20 is 600, so the total is 1100. Right, this is how you can solve. Slightly easier one that could also work for you is this, that let's assume that Rodi sold 30 plus X toys. I'm only counting the additional toys as X, okay, not the total. Here I took total number. I am saying, let's say he sold 30 plus X toys on the whole. 30 normal and then X extra, right? So how much does he get for 30 toys? He gets 30 into 20 plus for the extra he will be getting X into 25. This total should be equal to how much? 1100. This will give me X as 600 goes that side, it's 500, 25X is equals to 500, X is equals to 20. So that means he sold 30 plus 20, 50 toys on the whole. That's how you can make this. Different ways to do, but pretty much the same answer. The last one in the single variable, if a cab charges $10 for the first mile and 2 for each additional quarter mile, how much does the cab charge for 6.5 mile rides? So 6.5 can be split as 1 mile plus 5.5 miles. So how much is a cab charging for the first mile? They are charging $10. This is clear. How much would someone have to pay for 5.5 miles? They are saying $2 for each quarter mile. What you need to understand is how many quarters. What is a quarter? Quarter is 1/4 a mile, which is 0.25. The question is how many miles are there, or how many quarter miles are there in 5.5. That's an important thing you need to understand. There are a lot of ways to do. Let me make it a bit simple. So it's as simple as it. Again, proportionality. If I have to pay $2 for 0.25, how much would I pay X dollars for 5.5 miles? Same proportionality logic. Just multiply this 2 into 5.5 is equals to X into 0.25. Send it to the denominator. 2 into 5.5 by 0.25 is equals to X. So 2580 is 0.25 into 8 is 2. So 44 is what we are getting. That means $2 for 0.25 we have to pay how much? $44. So $44 plus $10, which is $54. Otherwise you can also take it like this. $2 cost is what I have to pay for 0.25. For half a mile we will pay $4. Right, for 5.5 miles it is 11 times. 0.5 into 11 is 5.5. Similarly, just have to do same, $44. Right, multiple ways to look at it. Otherwise, $2 per quarter mile means I will pay $8 per each mile. So up to 5.5 can be written as 5 miles plus 0.5 miles. For 5 miles, I will pay 8 per mile, that is 5 into 8, $40. And 0.5 I will pay 4, another 4 will be 44, 40 plus 4. The same, all the things are same, just I am trying to show in different ways. So that's how you can solve these questions, right? Simple ones, nothing complicated. It's just about reading them and doing carefully. This is more like what we are used to do in our life.